Welcome back to another oddly satisfying video. Today we got a dirty one. It's a pool, just the inside of it, drained out, super filthy. We're gonna do what we do best and give you an oddly satisfying cleaning. So let's get to work. couple hours later, here it is looking clean as ever. This was a really fun one to clean because the dirtier it is, the more satisfying it is to watch. One thing to note as you washed it back, you will see that some paint chipped off from the blue. The customer specifically stated to us that they wanted to repaint it, so they were actually asking if we could like strip the whole pool's paint. We said we couldn't do that because it would take way too long. But so when you see any chips in the paint, that is intentional, and the guy said it was clearly okay and he wanted to repaint it anyway. So I wanted to point that out because normally if the customer was concerned about that paint, we would make sure that we did not do it with that type of pressure and we'd still make it look just as good. But it came out fantastic, as you see. And thanks as always for watching another oddly satisfying video. If you were not already, would you click subscribe, like this video, do all the YouTube things? We'll see you next time.